I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your personal YouTube account handle. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your YouTube profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your YouTube profile screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap View Channel beneath your account name at the top of this screen. Options associated with your YouTube channel are shown. Step 3. Tap the Edit icon next to Manage Videos. The channel settings menu opens. Step 4. Find Handle in this menu and then tap Edit next to Handle. A window opens where you can change your YouTube handle. You'll also be notified that your handle is visible to all users on YouTube and that you'll be able to change your handle again after 14 days. Step 5. Enter what you want to be your new YouTube handle and then tap Save. Your YouTube handle for this channel will be changed immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.